Oh, it's recording. I got it. Yes. Hey, Rachel, I'm going to zoom in. No, I'm not. It does not zoom. Okay, let's go over to Rachel. Ugh, dude.
Hi.
Hey.
Hold on.
It's Pop.
Dude, it's dark in here.
Turn off the light.
Look at Rachel's awesome freaking movie room. So you come downstairs, right? It's purple, if you cannot see that, which you can't.
Does she like being
And then,
picked up?
kabow! The two best people.
Does she like being picked up, Rachel?
No.
Look at
It's too old.
Oh! What the heck? Hey. You know we could actually put this on YouTube? Or we could put it in our profile and they can see what you missed. What you missed, get it? No, just kidding.
Oh, I don't think I got that. Oh, wait, we're watching a movie. You should bring your iPod down.
This thing creeps me out so bad. But don't tell my mom that.
Did she get it for you or something?
No, James got it for her.
That's so weird, but it's a frog, so. Wait, James got it for your mom?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be Elvis again?
Can you not tell between an Elvis to
Yeah, okay, so good. What's back here?
Wait room.
There's a weight room, dude?
Wait room. Open it. No. You actually work out, Rachel?
I try, but
Every day?
Oh, MG, look at that. I love abs.
Rachel! Oh, take that off. I don't
Oh, get in the mirror.
How do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do this? You sit on it.
Samara's going to attempt. Oh, there we go. Samara's going to attempt the ab lounge. Countdown. After Rachel shows her how.
Do you do it? Every day? I try. Oh, that feels good. Okay. Oh, this is tight, dude.
Dude, hold this. I want to do this. How do you do it?
do you smell love?
This is so much easier. So, do you do it fast?
Oh, can I see you both? Look at my friends exercising.
I'm working out.
That actually really hurts after a while.
I need to go over to your house, man, and work out.
What?
I went to Lydia's Play's house and we did that like all night. It was like
No, it hurt.
You think you were?
Yeah.
Look. Ooh.
It's dying.
It's dying.
Oh,
Your weight? Wait, my weight's a secret.
Woo!
Next.
This doesn't work.
Ooh, look at that. Look at my chest. Oh, it's real slow. It's rising. It's not what I wanted.
Ow.
See? Oh,
Can two people do it?
try.
Oh, dude, slow down. I'm scared.
Uh,
Here?
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
I got
oh.
it.
Get this back camera, woman.
Oh, let me
This
see
is
that.
yes, we are.
Oh.
I think you should put it faster.
Oh, no, I'm at the end. Okay, cool.
Run, guys, run!
And that was the workout.
Oh, I want to do it.
I need to get back this time. Sorry.
James is coming downstairs. He's gonna tell us to shut up.
How do you start?
You can get back on it.
How do you start it? Oh, start.
Oh, it doesn't matter. No.
What the hell's going on?
I'm teaching him how to do the treadmill, and that's fast.
And not going.
It's
I'm too happy for it.
No, you're not.
And tell us we need to work out.
Go faster.
I'm trying. Oh man, I'm afraid I'm gonna fall off the wall. I'm doing that. Oh my god. I wanna
god.
That's scary stuff. How do you do it?
Yeah,
Slow.
right there. Ow. Careful, please don't hurt yourself.
That's why I want not. What is this? This is how I walk in the hall. No, this is not your walk. Because you're going smiling. Whatever. That is me. Okay, I'm gonna try. Wait. What the freak? I can't do
Just
that.
stop.
Oh.
Now push the big red button.
Wait. Stop. How do you start it again?
Push start.
Oh my god. How's that go? How much is it?
This thing here, hold it. I missed everything. You hold this.
Let me show you how. See how this thing works. Like this. They're so strong. That's at least 15 pounds. I think that's actually like 10 pounds. It's 5 plus 6.5. It's 11. It's 11 pounds.
This is fun.
Like, maybe I asked you, never miss one.
That's how Cheryl will walk when she's old.
There you go.
Here you go. I was gonna run on the treadmill. Yes, you hold it. It's your turn to videotape. No, I had to breathe. Okay.
Careful. How fast is it going?
Not very fast. I had it going 6.
No, that's going up. Are you just press up?
Yeah.
Yeah, you press fast.
I know. I was on it. Go, Rachel, go.
Oh man, watch
Oh, let's see if tomorrow I'll do some lifting. How many pounds is that?
Probably not a lot. 30.
I want to try it, but I'm not very strong. This is what it looks like when I'm on this one thing.
She's practicing for Nova.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Rachel's muscle.
I have no muscle.
You have lots of muscle.
No, I don't.
This is for you know who. Now lift it up. Lift it up.
On MySpace, woman. Wait, does it weigh you?
I said you know who.
You have to put in your weight. Where? Does it weigh you? What?
You press fast tomorrow.
Too much. No, actually, I weigh 180, I think. I'm scared to do this. I'm always scared when I drop it on my neck.
Is that okay? You might not even be able to hear it. Are you sure?
Yep. Okay, I'm scared.
It's alright.
Uh-oh.
You got this. Look at that.
Oh, this hurts.
You need some help?
Okay. Take it off. You walk the wrong way. Woo!
Become your dream. I'm going to be a rapper, just so y'all know. So, and then tomorrow, duck.
Now I got a headache. Dog.
Yes, I want to play like a champion today. That's right. Go Notre Dame. Woohoo! Go Samara. Go Rachel.
Wait.
Go Samara. Go Rachel. We should make a dancing video.
I told